So today I wanted to do a Memorial Day eye and lip inspired tutorial, or an eye and lip Memorial Day inspired tutorial. You guys know what I mean. Anyways, I want to show you guys what's on my face already in case you want to replicate this. So the things that I have on currently are the Benefit Professional Primer, my Makeup Forever Foundation, It Bad by Poise Pressed Powder, Hoola Bronzer, NYX HD Concealer, the Beauty Crop Highlighter, and Benefit Give Me Good Brow. So those are what I currently have on. And let's go ahead and do the eyes and the lips. So I'm going to be using my Roxy Colorburst palette. And I'm going to start off with the Moda M19 brush. And I'm actually going to be putting Red Velvet on my eyelids. And I don't want to make this super dark because I don't want this to be like a super in-your-face look. So I'm going to put it on kind of light. And then I'm just going to use a Elizabeth Mott blending brush to just blend the red out. I'm not going to add any color, I'm just going to blend it. So after that, I'm going to take a smudger brush. And I'm going to take Blue Lagoon, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, but I'm only going to go halfway. If you can hear that vehicle, that is my neighbor backing into his driveway. So once I've done that, I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush, and I'm going to take Constellations and use that on my brow bones and inner corners. Next up, I'm going to take my Marcellus Cinch & Plus Curl Mascara and put that on my tops and bottom lashes. Totally just missed putting that in and got it all over my finger. Smooth. So on the lips, I just wanted to do something kind of like low-key since I have, you know, like red and blue on the eyes. So I'm just going to use the Ulta Juice Infused lip oil so that I have something on my lips, but it's not like in your face. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I just wanted to do like something Memorial Day inspired, but I didn't want it to be like super out there. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you think of this look. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!